Hi everyone, here we've got a POCO X3 Pro and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So obviously firstly we have to enter the camera app, so let's do it. And right now, since we are in the standard photo mode, we can enter the settings which are in the right upper corner, so let's tap on it. As you can see on this second option bar, let's say, we've got seconds, so it means that they are responsible for setting the camera timer. So right now it is turned off because we've got this clock icon highlighted, let's say, but we can also set 3, 5 or 10 seconds delay. So let me pick 10 seconds delay, let me tap on it, and right now, since it is highlighted, since you can see this yellow color around it, it means that it has been successfully applied. So let me get back and tap on the shutter button. And as you can see, from now on, your device will count down from 10, and after that time it will take a photo. Okay, let's check another option, for example 3 seconds, so simply go back to the settings, tap on 3 seconds, and the same situation, but right now it is counting down from 3. So let me turn it off also, just by tapping on this clock icon. And after getting back, in order to check, we can see that the device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So actually that's all. This is how to set camera timer in your POCO X3 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.